It sounded awesome, but then I plugged it into a Univibe and a fuzz pedal, and the sound was huge. When you think of Gretsch guitars, you might think of rockabilly or country, but there's been many great rock artists that play Gretsch guitars. Other than the high-end models, I think these Gretsch guitars are the best in their price range. The first Gretsch that I got was this gold one. It's a, I don't know. It's a it's a Gretsch 2420T. It sounded awesome, but then I plugged it into a Univibe and a fuzz pedal, and the sound was huge. I recently replaced the pickups with black top Filtertrons.
Now I see everything nighttime birds never sing, 'cause they know something's about to change. Looking down, walking alone in the atmosphere.
After the first one, I was hooked, and I kept buying more Gretsches. One of my favorites I got was the Gretsch 5622T. It's very much like a 335. Another great one that I bought was the Gretsch G100CE. It's a little more prone to feedback at higher gains, so I might put some foam in it, but it sounds killer. You'd be hard-pressed to find a better guitar in the price range that some of these Gretsches are in. These guitars are all under $800. In my opinion, they are the best guitars you can buy in that price range. Well, that's all I got. I hope this helps somebody make a decision on buying a guitar. We'll see you soon.
The time keeps drifting by, and all the stories I could tell like I'm out myself.